Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a couple months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15 hours after I've released it, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So Bitcoin has continued to work its way upwards. In fact, right now, as of this recording, you can see another nice breakout is underway with a big solid green candle here. Volume has gotten well above average. So yeah, I'm a little jealous of those of you that are watching this 15-20 hours from now, because you're going to have a much better idea of what's actually played out from this point. But nonetheless, let's map out some of these key levels. Well, the newest areas to keep an eye on, and I'm going to just use this green line here. And question number one to ask yourself when you're pulling this up is, where's the price at relative to 5,300, which is that green line right there? If you are answering the price is up, that the price is still up above 5,300, then this chart is still basically as bullish as it can get. Sure, I realize the price could keep going up, but from just a trending perspective, from a consolidation perspective, if it can consolidate and stay up above 5,300, that would certainly be a very, very healthy consolidation and quite impressive on the bull's part. With that being said, if you're answering the question, let's just say 15 hours from now, you're watching the video and you're saying, well, actually, Clay, the price right now is down below 5,300. That doesn't mean the entire chart's ruined or destroyed or anything like that. But, that best case scenario would be staying above 5,300. Now, if you are answering that the question is below 5,300, the next immediate question you would want to ask yourself about is right here at 5,100, that green line right there. And, just ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that? Now, even if the price were down below 5,100, at that point, I'm not going to say the chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, things wouldn't be looking nearly as good as if they, were able to stay above 5,300 or 5,100. But just keep an eye on those. And then, of course, there's always some common sense and gut instincts that comes into play. Meaning, if you're watching this chart and somehow the price is down here at 4,800 or 4,600, then yeah, well, at that point, like I said, it kind of goes without saying, okay, yeah, there's something not quite right anymore. But on the flip side of things, that also plays out. I mean, if you're answering the question, well, yeah, Clay, the price is still up above 5,300, and you're also answering it, well, and the price is up there at 5,900. Okay, well, that tells you that not only has the consolidation remained healthy, but the momentum has gotten that much more upwards pressure to it, which is a good thing. So, like I said, how bullish is the chart? Well, I'll leave that in your kind of gut instincts perspective. But, moral of the story there is the higher the price is above 5,300, that just means the more and more bullish it actually is. But definitely a nice session right now as far as the 30 minutes. And like I said, I'm jealous of you that are watching this video 15, 20 hours from now. You're going to have a much better idea of whether or not this breakout has gotten that much more continuation or if it's needed to consolidate a little bit. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.